Hey everybody, out here again. Finally got the HERO7 Black and giving it a run today. I'm gonna do my gravel route and sort of see how it looks. Play around with the settings a little bit. It's actually pretty sunny today, which I'm really excited about. So hopefully the lighting's all good. Hopefully the trails are okay. It is sloppy like it has been in Maryland the past few weeks. So, you know, every weekend it seems to want to rain or snow. But daylight savings times tomorrow, get a little extra light. Hopefully the rain starts going away and everything will dry out. I'll be able to throw mountain bike tires on the thing and actually take it out onto some trails. And if I don't get the tires on, I at least know these tires can handle pretty well on the trail as it is. So let me get this off the car, get all suited up, and get on the ride. See you guys in a bit. All right, here we go. And I am currently riding with a wind slayer on it. So we'll see how the audio is. Watched a few reviews about it and it seems to be the best option right now for taking away all the wind noise. I'm gonna hop down here, see number one if it's, oh god, skip the side of the tire. Super muddy, which is actually better than last week because right now, maybe hit a couple spots like this. Yep. Just a little growth. But I want to see if this tames down the bumps a little bit. So I know that usually riding one here, it's pretty bumpy in spots. So we're gonna see. Let's see what it does. One thing I did notice so far is that you can't use Hypersmooth with 4K, which is surprising. That's one of the big draws. But you can set it for Hypersmooth and everything else, so it's not a huge deal. You know, if this looks good enough not on 4K, you know, I'm content with having it like this if it means that I don't need the gimbal. Clip the pedal. I would have had it. I clipped the pedal. Damn it. Now here specifically, it's pretty smooth, but well, you know, my arms are bouncing around, so the camera's got to be bouncing around a little bit, a little jostling. stinks up here. I think that was trash or ignore. One way or another. Freaking reeks. Yeah. Oh God. Starting to lose the sun a little bit. I thought it would dip down a little slower, but I should be good to get back to the car. There it is. All right, so that's it for today. The battery lasted the whole ride. I still was, switching it off and turning it back on. It does. I think the cold is going to have a lot to do with the battery life. I'm curious how it lasts when it's actually warm outside. I just think the cold is making it die a lot quicker. It's happening with my other one as well. So this one, these batteries are brand new, so they shouldn't be having any issues with battery life. I guess we'll see how this looks when I edit it down. I'm really excited to have this. I hope you guys are enjoying what you're seeing. If you like what you're seeing, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching this. You know, share this around. I want you guys to follow me along on all my travels and all my adventures. Can't thank you enough for just sticking with me through everything and follow me along. Anyway, I'm gonna get packed up. It's getting cold, the sun's going down. Thanks for riding with me. I'll see you on the next adventure.